Thank you and welcome to the show this morning. The topic this morning is President Obama's energy plan. And of course, we're fortunate to have with us to talk about the president's energy plan, Dr. LSharpe. Dr. LSharpe is the holder of the Massey School of Engineering and Technology seat at Tennessee State University, as well as our guest. And of course, he also has a lot of information, do you not, Dr. Sharpe?
Yes, I do.
To tell us in reference to President Obama's energy plan. But before we get into that, Dr. Sharpe, let's see if we can have you to give us some information about your background, your education, and some of those things that were eventually important in leading you to, as we introduced you, the holder of the seat in the the College of Engineering and Technology at Tennessee State University, the Massey seat in that particular area.
Yes.
And then we'll talk about other things.
All right. Thank you, sir. Again, my name is LSharpe, and I'm the eldest son of LSharpe and Lillian Sharpe. I grew up in Elm City, North Carolina. I grew up on the farm, and so I have a lot of experiences to talk about that relate to energy and my experience on the farm. One thing that I do want to say is that I finished high school in Elm City. I ended up going to college at North Carolina A&T State University in Greensboro, North Carolina, where I received my BS degree in mechanical engineering. I left there to go to NC State. I was on a special program to get my master's degree in 1 year through Western Electric. They called the OYOC, 1 year on campus. And so I did that. I finished my MS degree in 1 year at NC State. And then I decided that I want to go off and become a professor. So I went to the University of Illinois, where I received my PhD degree in mechanical engineering. After receiving my PhD degree in mechanical engineering, I was in a special program to go back to North Carolina A&T as a professor. And I went to North Carolina A&T, and I served at A&T in engineering for 20 years. Before I moved to Tennessee State University. While I was at A&T, I started as an assistant professor, worked my way to associate professor, full professor, associate dean of engineering, and eventually dean of engineering at North Carolina A&T. So when I moved here in this position called the Massey Chair of Excellence. It's a program funded by the Department of Energy. The intent is to build the infrastructure in the environmental engineering areas at 9